Hey everybody, it's Elizabeth and this is day 11 of my 90-day Tupper challenge. My husband and I are enjoying the movie Rocky tonight. Don't laugh, it's inspirational. It really is. I remember when it first came out, totally inspired me. But anyway, it's a good show to watch tonight. So today has been a really good day. I had an amazing workout today. I worked out for 2 hours. I did boot camp at 9:30 and then 10:45 gentle yoga. I burned just under 1,000 calories. Cannot believe that. So I'm looking forward to seeing what the scale says tomorrow. During boot camp, it was a killer. Boot camp is always a killer. And I have to be honest, I have to make myself go. If I didn't have all this accountability in place, I don't know, man. It's just that hard. And I always cry or always get sick or whatever. But you know what? When I'm done, I feel amazing. And I'm proud of myself for having finished it. We did a lot of cardio today combined with some upper body weights. But also, I'm noticing that, this evening my legs are really sore too. So we must have used our legs at some point. Then the hour of gentle yoga was phenomenal. It was my first time with Heidi as an instructor, and she is wonderful. I guess every instructor brings something different to the table, and she was really good. I love that everybody's at different levels in there, so you don't have to be embarrassed about how you look or where you are or anything like that. But I just want to give another shout out for yoga. If you haven't tried it, give it a chance. It's amazing. You just feel so good afterwards. It's such a good stretch and just a really good workout. Eating wise, I've had a great healthy day today. Staying pretty close within my calorie range, so I'm glad about that. And I just wanted to say how amazing it is to have friends with me that work out. I used to be like, I'm an island, I can do this on my own, I don't want to work out with anybody, but I can't tell you what a huge difference it makes. Like when I'm in boot camp and I'm like bawling my eyes out because it's so hard. And I've got friends down at the other end of the room, they're like, come on Elizabeth, you can do it, you're strong. And then sweet Shayla, my trainer, who is right there just believing in me more than I do myself and just pushing me beyond what I thought I could do. So definitely working out with friends is better. And for all of you who I'm meeting at the gym or who've friended me on Facebook or whatever since I've started this challenge, please forgive me. I'm going to ask you your name 1,000,000 times. It doesn't mean I don't care about you. I'm just horrible at names. So anyway, I appreciate everyone so much. Thank you for the encouragement and just cheering me on. You're the best. I'll see you tomorrow.